Hi my dear students, welcome to the video series on social studies. So in today's video, you will be learning multiple choice questions from the business studies part. See, totally you have two lessons. One is the bank transactions and one more is the consumer education and the protection. So from both the lessons, enough multiple choice are in this video, so which will help you to get good marks in your board examination from this particular part. So without wasting much time, let us start the video series. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, do subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. So the first question is, the word bank has been derived from the word bunk, which is derived from. And the options are French language, Italian language, Greek language, Sanskrit language. So here the word bank has been derived from the word bunk. It is derived from option A, French language. It is derived from French language. The next question, the term bank is derived from Italian word. Options are bank, banco, bunk, bench. So here the term bank is derived from the Italian word called banco. So here the right answer is option B. The next question is, the word bank means. Options are writing table, information exchange table, money exchange table, money keeping table. See here, the word bank means money exchange table. So the right answer is option C, money exchange table. The next question is, what is bank according to you? And the options are a financial institution dealing with money, an institution dealing with business, an institution dealing with insurance, an institution dealing with cases. Here, the right answer is a financial institution dealing with the money. So option A is the right answer. The next question, the latest service of the bank is. Options are issuing check, accepting deposits, e-banking, lending loans. The latest service of the banks is e-banking. So option C is the right answer. The next question is, all the banking transactions in India are controlled by. And the options are State Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Postal Bank of India, International Monetary Fund. So here the right answer is option B, Central Bank of India. All the banking transactions in India are controlled by Central Bank of India. The next question is, the recent development in banking industry is. And the options are giving interest to the depositors' money, introduction of insurance, the inclusion of post offices for banking sector, providing educational loans. So the recent development in banking industry is the inclusion of post offices for banking sector. So option C is the right answer. The next question, which of the bank is called as mother of bank? Here the options are State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, Postal Bank of India, the regional banks. So the right answer here is option B, Reserve Bank of India is called as the mother of bank. The next question is, the bank account best suitable for student is. Options are recurring deposit account, current account, savings bank account, term or fixed deposit account. See, the bank account best suitable for student is savings bank account. So option C is the right answer. The next question is, the Kisan Vikas Patra is issued by. Options are postal banks, Canara banks, state banks, regional banks. The Kisan Vikas Patra is issued by postal banks. So option A is the right answer. The next question is, imagine you are a farmer. You want to open an account in a bank. Which type of account do you open? Options are savings bank account, current account, recurring deposit account, term deposit account. See, if you are a farmer and if you want to open an account in the bank, you can open savings bank account. So option A is the right answer. Next question is, this type of account is generally opened in banks by the persons who have fixed regular income. Options are recurring deposit account, saving bank account, current account, fixed deposit account. So the right answer is option C, current account. Okay, if a person is having fixed regular income, he can open current account. Next question is, this type of account is generally opened in the banks by businessmen is. And the options are recurring deposit account, savings bank account, current account, fixed deposit account. So here the right answer is current account. Okay, if a person is businessman, he can open the current account. The next question is, an account opened for the purpose of wedding expenses of children is called. Options are savings bank account, current account, recurring deposit account, term or fixed deposit account. So here the right answer is option C, recurring deposit account is a type of account opened for the purposes of wedding expenses of children. The next question is, this account is opened for a fixed period by depositing a particular sum of money. Options are savings bank account, current account, recurring deposit account, term or fixed deposit account. So here the right answer is option D, term or fixed deposit account. So this account is opened for the fixed period by depositing a particular sum of money. The next question is, every year World Consumer Day celebrated on, and the options are March 10th, December 10th, March 15th, August 15th. So here the right answer is option C, March 15th. The next question is, the other name of consumer is the. Options are provider, king of market, king of goods, king of economy. So here the right answer is king of market. So it is the other name for consumer. So option B is the right answer. So the next question is, person supplying goods or services for money is called. Option A, consumer, B, provider, C, trade, D, seller. So the right answer here is option A, consumer. So he is the person who is supplying the goods or services for money. Next question. In case of compensation exceeding rupees 1 crores, the complaint has to be submitted to. Options are District Forum, State Commission, Taluk Forum, the National Commission. The right answer here is option D, National Commission. In case of compensation exceeding rupees 1 crore, the complaint has to be submitted to the National Commission. The next question, in the case of compensation exceeding 10 lakhs, the complaint has to be submitted to. Options are District Forum, State Forum, Taluk Forum, the National Commission. The right answer here is District Forum. So option A is the right answer. In case of the compensation exceeding 10 lakhs, the complaint has to be submitted to District Forum. Next question. In case of compensation exceeding 21 lakhs, the complaint has to be submitted to. Options are District Forum, State Commission, Taluk Forum, the National Commission. C. In case of compensation exceeding 21 lakhs, the complaint has to be submitted to District Forum. The next question is, when did the Consumer Protection Act came into force in India? And the options are in the year 1986, in the year 1996, in the year 1886 and in the year 1980. So here the correct answer is option A. In the year 1986, Consumer Protection Act come into force in India. So the next question is the World Consumers Day come into force in, and the options are March 10th, 1962, March 1st, 1962, August 15th, 1962, December 15th, 1962. So the right answer here is the World Consumers Day come into force in March 10th, 1962. So option A is the right answer. So the next question is which of the following right is not promoted by the Consumer Protection Act? And the options are the right to choose, right to be heard, right to get equality, right to get quality goods, right to freedom. And the right answer here is right to freedom. So this is the right which is not promoted by the Consumer Protection Act. So option D is the right answer. The next question, the main aim of consumer movement is, and the options are to protect consumer from exploitation by the producers and traders. Option B, avoiding production and sale of dangerous goods. Option C, prevention of trade malpractices in the market. Option D, supervision on quality, weights, measures and price. So, the main aim of consumer movement is to protect consumers from exploitation by the producers and traders. So, option A is the right answer. The next question is the consumer can sit at home and directly buy the goods from the traders using information technology or SMS is called. Options are teleshopping, online shopping, offline shopping, mobile shopping. So here the right answer is option A, teleshopping. The next question, the person who sell goods and services to consumer is. Options are consumer, producer, trade, seller. So here the right answer is option D, seller. So the person who sell goods and services to consumer is called seller. The next question is what is the movement started by women of Mumbai called? Options are beware, aware, care and preware. So here the right answer is option B, aware. Aware is the movement started by the women of Mumbai. The next question is in India, the Planning Commission backed the idea of foundation of Indian Association Consumers in the year. Options are 1955, 1966, 1965, 1956. So the right answer here is option C, 1965. The next question is who appoints the President of District Consumer Forum? Options are President of India, Prime Minister, State Government, Governor. So here the right answer is option C, State Government appoints the President of District Consumer Forum. The next question is who appoints the President of National Commission? And the options are President of India, Prime Minister, State Government, Central Government. So the right answer here is Central Government. So Central Government appoints the President of National Commission. The next question is which of the following is not a consumer court? Options are District Forum, State Commission, Taluk Forum, the National Commission. So here the right answer is Taluk Forum is not a consumer court. So option C is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following is not a cause for consumer exploitation? Options are cheating by the seller, overcharging, provide quality goods, exploitation by the agent. So here option C, provide quality goods is not a cause for consumer exploitation. The next question is the minister in charge of consumer affairs at central government is the chairman at. Options are National Council, State Consumer Protection Council, District Consumer Protection Council, District Forum. See, the minister in charge of consumer affairs at central government is the chairman at the National Council. Option A is the right answer. Next question. The chairman of District Consumer Protection Council at district level is. Options are Governor, Chief Minister, the District Commissioner and District Judge. The right answer is the District Commissioner is the chairman of District Consumer Protection Council at district level. So these are the multiple choice questions from the business studies. So hope these many multiple choice will help you to get full marks from the business studies. Okay, if you find this video useful, give a thumbs up to this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me.